Good evening, you guys. My name is Braden, and to all the people on Goodnight Storm Chase team, I'm here to discuss about the severe weather potential for central Indiana on Wednesday through Thursday, most likely on Thursday. Let's start with my area first, which is Greencastle. Tonight, partly cloudy, the low of 45. Then storm chances start to move in on Monday. From Monday to possibly Friday is where we have storms. There is a chance for seeing thunderstorms on Wednesday, but the more substantial threat for thunderstorms comes on Thursday, which is some of these storms on Thursday could be strong to severe. A high on Thursday would be 72 degrees, and Thursday night would be a low of 58 degrees. Timing of the storms would be anywhere from maybe late afternoon through late Thursday night and possibly into early Friday morning. But I'm gonna discuss about the severe weather situation that is developing for South Iowa, northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas, and southeast Nebraska. This is probably most like the highest threat area of seeing severe weather and tornadoes. Let me point this out. The Weather Channel, Dr. Greg Forbes, has already issued a tornado rating of 4, which is a 40% chance of seeing a tornado in 50 miles for Kansas City. Issuing a tornado index that high this far out is pretty significant. You get the idea. You pretty much get the idea how potentially dangerous severe weather can be on Wednesday for this area. I do expect some tornadic supercell thunderstorms to develop, most likely within this area. But severe weather covers this much of a land area region. As for central Indiana on Thursday, I'm mainly looking at a squall line of thunderstorms move in. I'm not going to say if there's going to be any tornadic supercell thunderstorms developing in Indiana, but I do know that we will have a line of thunderstorms that will develop and go through central Indiana. At this time, there is no slight risk of severe weather. I can't say severe weather will be likely on Thursday for central Indiana. I do know that we could have strong thunderstorms on Thursday. And heavy rain is also a big threat, which could lead to localized flash flooding. So you might want to pay attention to that. But as for southern Iowa, northwest Missouri, southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas is this is the area that I'm closely gonna keep my eye on because there is a potential for a significant severe weather event for what I'm seeing. Let's see what the Kansas City forecast is for Wednesday, which will be the day where the severe weather starts up. Alright. Wednesday for Kansas City, 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Dangerous thunderstorms will develop in the evening hours and through Wednesday night, and still some more storm chances on Thursday. Then the storm chances start to decrease and move out on Thursday night. But Indiana will be in line for a severe weather threat. The severe threat, it doesn't look too serious at this point for Indiana, but we're still at least 3 days out from this severe weather event. 2 days for Kansas City, Missouri. Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms likely, with a high of sitting near 69. Chance of precipitation is 60%. New rainfall amounts between a quarter and a half an inch possible. Wednesday night, showers and thunderstorms likely, mostly cloudy with a low around 62. Chance of precipitation is 70%. Let's check the severe weather potential map. Let's really check that out. Here we go. You guys see that right there? Widespread severe weather outbreak possible. But you see this little picture here. This shows the area of the areas that are at greater risk of a tornado during the month of April. Let's see if we can click into that. Okay. Let's go ahead and move this so you guys can see. Okay, true to advertisement. Due to April's dangerous reputation, a widespread multi-day severe weather outbreak, including tornadoes, is possible this week in parts of the South and Midwest. Meteorologists use pattern recognition or the general forecast orientation of upper air and surface weather features to help identify the potential for high-impact weather events. Severe weather outbreaks, winter storms, cold air, outbreaks and weather heat waves. Right, here's a severe weather map I've been looking for. This is Wednesday. Actually, south of Iowa. It looks like south of Iowa. We'll see a slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm, but it's mainly at extreme southern portions of Illinois, Missouri, East Kansas, much of Oklahoma, North Texas, northwest parts of Arkansas, and a small fraction of West Kentucky. Dallas, Oklahoma City, Fort Smith, Springfield, St. Louis, and Kansas City. All these areas are possible. All these the area that you see in shaded in red? That's the area that could see this potential significant severe weather event. It might have, for those of you for Joplin, Missouri, I'll be keeping my close eye on you guys. And here's the severe weather map for Thursday. You see? Basically the same areas that will see severe weather, but you notice that the severe weather starts to shift a little bit, and a small fraction of West Indiana is now under that severe weather threat. And yes, all of Indiana will see chances of thunderstorms. Correct me if I'm wrong, but maybe our severe threat will be from very late evening into the nighttime hours. Thirds, I'm guessing, probably ranging from large hail, heavy rains, gusty, damaging straight-line winds, and possible of a few isolated tornadoes. Here's the rain forecast map. Looks like 1 to 3 inches for this area. Probably maybe an inch or more in the heaviest of storms. I may have to check back in on that one once we get closer to Thursday or Friday. That's probably when I'm going to do my next weather update. I want to try to find the Torcons for Wednesday for this area, see if it's still a 4 or higher. Well, my time is about running out on on my laptop, but I'll pretty much keep you guys updated and have more details on this potential tornado outbreak and the potential for seeing severe weather for central Indiana. I'll keep you guys posted and I'll let you know if there are any changes.